Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to change battery for Toyota Corolla 2018 model. So this is dead battery and I have already bought a new one. So I'm gonna replace it. So this is gonna be an in-garage installation primarily because it's raining and also my car is not starting up. So first thing first, what we gotta do is pop up the hood, and that you can do by pulling this lever like that. So once you pull that lever inside the cabin, you get a space to insert your hand and pull this up, this lever. So this what it will do, it will release this and just pull it up, put this rod, and you're good. So ideally everything we should be able to unscrew these using a 10 number. So let's test it out. Okay, so okay, got lucky. This is 10. So let's unscrew this one. Might take some force. Okay, for some reason this is really jammed in. However, I'm able to open this one with relative ease, like that. I'm able to open this one relative ease, and then this one as well. Here you go, but not this one. So I'm gonna just unscrew it slightly and try to open this up. Same for this. Okay, and let's take first negative terminal out that and tuck it in so that it doesn't move. So now that's out of the way. Let's unplug this, take it out. Okay, that was easy enough. Let's put it on the side as well and cover back up just in case, like this. Can I unscrew this now? Not with hand, but certainly with this. Let's loosen this up a little bit. Yeah, it's a bit harder to do it using one hand. Since that didn't work, I'm gonna try using this. It won't budge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some engine oil to lubricate it, leave it some time, and then try again. So I'm still stuck on this. That said, I borrowed a wrench set from my neighbor, and I'm gonna try this to open. So let's see if this works. I'm not sure. Probably it's deformed, that's why. So I'm trying this. 15, say 5 by 16. Let's see. So, okay. Up. It's budged. I think we might get lucky now. Oh yeah, it's coming loose. Finally, let me do it off camera. Finally, it's loose. Look at that, lot of rusting. I'm gonna put some oil in there and screw it back a little bit, not a lot, so that I don't lose it, like that. So time to take this battery out, and I'm gonna need my both hand to do so. Since that's out of the way, let's take this and clean this up real quick. It's mostly dirt, nothing much. So now is clean. Let's put this back up, and this should align in this hole. There it goes, and this should also fit in. That said, let's pick up our new battery and put back in here. Again, I'm gonna need my both hands. So one of the important things to remember is plus and negative. So plus should go here, or positive, whatever you wanna call it. And let's take this off like that. Same thing, you know what, let's do it later. And put it on the side. I'm gonna put this positive first. Press all the way down as far as you can, and then let's tighten this up. So I'm gonna use this 10 number to tighten this up, and I'm just going to tighten as much as I can without like overdoing it. Obviously, because you know you don't wanna break this or harm this one. So looks pretty good to me. And then let's take this negative one and put it here. But first we need to pull this tab out like that, put it on the side, and make sure you do it. Okay, so not certain if you saw that spark, but that's pretty normal when you connect these terminals, so don't be scared. And let's tighten this up first using hands, and then using this. Again, I'm not going to over tighten it, but going to do as much as I can. Okay, so I think it's good enough for me. Again, it's not moving, this is not moving. And let's check if my new battery is working before I screw back. Yep, looks like it. Let's start it. Yeah, I am able to start the car, so I think we are good. Since I replaced the battery, it will take some time, so don't worry about that. So it has booted up. So let's turn this off and head back in the front so that we can screw everything back properly. Let's do that. So here's that over protector on the top. Let's take this out, the troublemaker, put it somewhere, don't lose it, and put this back. Okay, there you go. Now just gently try to screw it lightly, not very hard, and then we're going to tighten up using a wrench set. So let's put this back up again using just my hand right now, and tighten it as much as you can. There you go. Let's cover this terminal and use this wrench set again to tighten it further. Oh, let's make sure it's ready to tight. Okay, Yeah, turn it gently, you don't want to over tighten it again. And let's do this for the other end as well. Okay, it feels good to me, and I don't wanna obviously over tighten this because it's held by some plastic material on the bottom. It's hard to see now, and I don't wanna break that plastic. And let's do a test, like a shake test. Now it's not budging at all, which is a good news, I think. And they should finish our installation. So ideally it shouldn't take like more than 10 minutes, or at like 10, somewhere like 10-11 minutes to replace a battery, and it's really simple. But if you're not comfortable doing it, I would recommend using a technician to do that. That's pretty much it for this video. Let me know in comments whether you would like to, or have you done a battery replacement for your vehicle by yourself, or you prefer doing it from a technical by a technical person. However, this is a genuine Toyota battery. I bought it from a Toyota dealership. Take care.